So I had a full conversation with my dog?
Thank you. Human?
Hmm?
Ball gun?
Bro, it's too hot outside.
Sorry?
It's not your fault.
A couple minutes later, Ripley says this.
Hot.
Yes, it's hot outside. It's very hot outside. I know. I can't control the weather, baby. It'll be cold later. It'll be cold later outside. I'm sorry. Aww. It's hot outside. It'll be cold later. That's not good enough, huh?
Chase?
Ripley barks some more.
I can't make it not hot, Bubba. It's hot for a little while longer.
Later?
Yeah, it'll be cold later.
Ripley barks at Dad for 20 more seconds and then takes a walk around the kitchen island.
Sorry?
Okay. You're upset. You're mad because it's hot.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kiss?
Oh, Bubba! Kiss, 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 kiss.